Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Semrush Keyword Magic Tool for USA search terms, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Semrush website. Log into your Semrush account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Keyword Magic Tool from the dashboard. Click on the Keyword Magic Tool option to open it. In the search bar, enter a relevant seed keyword for your research. Select the correct database option for the United States. You can usually find this option in a drop-down menu next to the search bar. After entering your seed keyword and selecting the USA database, click on the search icon. The tool will now display a comprehensive list of keywords related to your seed word. Take a moment to review the keyword suggestions that appear on the screen. Each keyword will include valuable data points such as search volume, keyword difficulty, and cost per click. Use the filters on the left side of the screen to refine your results. You can filter by search volume, keyword difficulty, or other metrics that matter to you. If you want to explore long-tail keywords, you can adjust the filter settings accordingly. To save your selected keywords, check the boxes next to each term you want to keep. Once you've made your selections, click on the Add to Keyword Analyzer button. Navigate to the Keyword Analyzer tab to review your saved keywords. Here, you can further evaluate your keywords based on various metrics. To export your keyword list, look for the Export button, usually found at the top right corner. Choose your preferred file format for download, such as CSV or Excel. After selecting your format, confirm the export process. Now you have a well-organized list of keywords tailored for USA search terms. You can use this data to inform your content strategy or SEO efforts moving forward. Feel free to return to the Keyword Magic Tool anytime for additional research or analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.